The state is expanding support for expecting mothers with a new Medicaid change. The Illinois Department of Health Care and Family Services is now covering home visits for Medicaid families. The new coverage includes blood pressure monitoring, behavioral health screenings, domestic violence education, stress management, and service referrals. State leaders say the goal is to catch complications early and give families support where they find them at home.
Home visiting services can also help strengthen the bond between a parent and a child. And the benefits of home visiting services are well documented and associated with improved outcomes for both the parents and caregivers as well as the children.
The expansion started November 21st. It's unclear how many more people this will help assist or how much money was allocated to the program. To get home services, you can ask your primary care provider or contact Medicaid at the number on the back of your card.